Hey, you guys, what is going on? So it's early in the morning. As you guys can tell, it's night. It's like 5:33 a.m. here, Eastern Standard Time. And what I want to do is go over the cryptos. Okay. I want to go over two cryptos right now, popular cryptos, Bitcoin and Ethereum, because I do think that these could drop a little bit more. And I'm going to show you guys why I say that. Okay. So let's start here with Bitcoin first. Okay. Now, um, if you guys don't know, hi, I'm Shaquan. Okay. I'm the trading educator here at SLFX Trading, my company, my baby. So I am a swing trader. I look at higher time frames to find really good entries to hold transactions, basically. Okay. I do like to invest in crypto. I'm learning how to trade crypto. But the same way I invest is the same way that I trade. Technical analysis. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's break this down. Now, it is a little bit dark. It is a little bit dark, but that's okay because we're here for the technical analysis. So let's get to the price chart. The highest that Bitcoin traded recently was around 69,000. Okay, so 69.44s. And the lowest that it had traded before she started to decline over here was at $57,673. Now, what Price is doing is she's making a series of lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. As an investor, I would be buying this up, even if she got lower, buying it up. But as a trader, I don't want to do that. Okay, because that's thousands and thousands of dollars that can be lost really quick. Okay, so that's something to be very aware of. All right. Now, what I'm also aware of is this: the fact that she's making lower lows and lower highs means that I want to be the seller until she could top one of these lower highs. And what I mean is the last lower high that we have is right here around $59,434. So this is not, hear me well, when it comes to supply and demand, you have to look at who has the control. Right now, overall, the buyers do have control because this bad boy is bullish. Like Bitcoin is just bullish, meaning the buyers have it. But at the current moment, there's a difference. You have to understand your cycles. We're in retracement cycle or pullback cycle. We're in discount cycle. Meaning, if you buy cryptos now, you're buying them at discounts because, once again, it's not as high as $69,000. So, with that being said, at the current moment, price is trading below 59,434. What I'm going to be looking at by the end of today's candle closure, which is in 13 hours and 23 minutes, I want to see if price is going to close bearish. Because if she closes bearish, I do think that price could come in top or push back down to $53,361. So that's something that I'm going to be looking at here on Bitcoin. Now I'm going to be on my hands until this closure, this candle closure. I don't want to move too fast. I don't want to move too soon. I really want to be careful because if, like I said, if she closes bearish, I'm going to be trading this information, not investing, but trading it. Okay. That's Bitcoin. Let's go over here to Ethereum because Ethereum is kind of in the same situation. You guys, this wave over here as she was pushing up was so beautiful back here in October. I mean, you talk about a beautiful uptrend. This was a solid uptrend. I capitalized on this one very nicely within my prop firm account. But looking here, she passed $4,332. She decreased down to $3,967. This was not the time to want to be the buyer back here. One of the reasons is because this was an early sign of a reversal. I mean, if she went past $4,332, that was the last influx of buyers. And once she passed those buyers, now is the time to become the seller. And so, as you guys can see, she did push up, stayed below $4,865, which was the high, and she ended up decreasing again lower, making a new lower low, meaning the sellers now have the control down to $3,914. So, what does this mean? This means that we're not trying to be the buyer, not at this moment. Because if price stays below, I'm going to make this a little bit better. If price can stay below, I would say around, once again, $4,555, I'm going to be looking to take this sale again back down to $3,914. You guys, there really is space for price to travel back to the downside, because if we go to this weekly time frame chart, you guys can see that we have a high up here. Now, this is not to say that price cannot go up. Price can do whatever it wants to do. Once again, I'm invested in Ethereum as well. Once again, there's a difference between trading and investing. As a trader, I don't want to buy too early against a discount because we are in discount phase. So with that being said, I'll be waiting for today's closure within 13 hours to see if we close bearish, or if price gives some type of indication that the bears have the market. And if so, I will be the seller of Ethereum only as a trader. Trader means short term. Okay. With me swing trading, that could be within a day, 2, 3, 4, 5 days, or a week. I'm not the controller of this market, but this is what can happen. Okay. So that is Bitcoin and that is Ethereum in the way that I am looking at these cryptocurrencies as a trader, as a supply and demand trader, as a swing trader. Okay. If you guys have any questions, you guys can put it down below in this video if you're on YouTube, or you can inbox me here on TradingView if you so desire. I'll talk to you guys in the next video.